Okay. So first step is just like what we're doing when we have just 864 times 6, right? We're doing everything with the 6 first. So 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 2 is 38. 6 times 8 is 48 plus 3 is 51. Okay, so I know you all can do that part. We got that solid, right? That's step 1. What is step 2? Cooper.
10 blue, so put a 0.
Put a 0. Okay, I'm going to put that in a different color actually so we don't forget. Okay, we're doing the 10, so we're putting that 0 in because we're really multiplying by 20. We're not multiplying by, before we were doing a single digit, we're multiplying by 20 now, and it's a lot easier to say, well, we're just going to put the 0 in to take care of that piece of it because it's really 20 instead of 2. Okay, then we're going to continue on. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 8 is 16 plus 1. Are we good? Then what do we do? Step 3. Jack. We're going to add these together. 4, 16, 4, 12, 2. Okay, is everybody getting that answer? Okay, now, would anyone like to share, oh, I made a mistake, help, or I made a mistake, but I found my mistake? Okay, anybody at home, are you okay? Okay, so that's the answer to the first problem. What if you're a person like me that likes to write this big, and I'm on that piece of paper that was sent home? What do I do if I need to write bigger? Should I panic? No. Cooper, what do I do?
That's why you have your lovely scrap paper.
I have scrap paper, I have notebook paper. Everyone has access to paper because you have a notebook. What if it isn't your math notebook? Are you allowed to rip paper out of the back of another notebook?
Yes.
Absolutely. Okay? Now, one thing you cannot have is the problem and the answer without any work. Because guess what has to happen? You got to show your work somewhere. You got to turn it in. Okay? To me. So if you don't have your work showing, I'm assuming you use a calculator and had a great old time pushing buttons. Okay? So you have to show your work. If you don't have your work shown, you got to start all over and do it all over again. Okay? No, no, no. Okay. How about problem number 2? Can we do that together, please? Can somebody read me that problem? Jasper.
549
549.
times
Okay.
98.
98. Okay, so we're multiplying the ones first. 8 times 9, 72. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 7 is 39. 8 times 5 is 40. Plus 3 is 43. Okay. Step 2. What do I do? I should see a lot more hands in the air. What is step 2? Sarah. Put a 0. Because I'm multiplying by 10. Step 3. Docs? Okay. 9 times 9. 81. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 plus 8 is 44. 9 times 5 is 45. Plus 4, 49. Okay, next step. Sarah? Add them together. 2, 10, 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8, 9 plus 4 is 13, 4 plus 1 is 5. 53,802. Okay, at home, are we okay? Did we get that answer? And if you're not, I mean, talk to me and say, hey, I got lost after this part or something like that. Are we cool? Okay, so we're going to continue on working on, this is the red. I don't care which side you do first. You don't need to move on past the red. You can just do the red today, okay? Then we will, at school, we're going to do rocket math at 20 after. And I will send you a link of where you can practice your multiplication tables, just doing some fun game on the computer if you want to, okay? And we're gonna do that. And I also will post. We're gonna do a puzzle, and I will post that for you to look at, and you guys can put your answers on the Google Classroom, okay? Questions for me at home.